go. There's my little babies. Does that cut his cheese, huh? No way. See, the food dries good. I like to feed them in a pan like this. It teaches them to compete for their food. I don't like using a pan that's too big where they can all easily get access to the food. Right off the bat, I like the puppies to know that food is very important and that if you want your share, it's a struggle for it. I know, you're a happy little guy. This kind of gives you an idea of the puppies. For a 5-week-old puppy, they've got heads on them like Rottweilers. Oh, I know, Bubba. Hey guys, come on, let's go outside and go potty. Come on. Come on. Come on guys, go in the grass. Tonight's a good night. The puppies are out on the grass. They're away from the mommy. They've got geese flying overhead honking. They've got fireworks going off down the street. Come on. Come on over here. Go potty. Come on. Oh yeah, I know. I know. I know. Let me see, Booger. Which one are you? You're that little boy.
you or that little boy?
Right now I've got a puppy behind me that's chewing on my sock. Come on guys, let's come over here. I'm going to see if I can get this on camera for you. You see this already? These are puppies that are just under 5 weeks old, already actively trying to chew on a sock, pull on something, have something in their mouth. I like to see this. I like to see this in my puppies, and the younger you see it, the better. That behavior right there, I like that very, very much. Those are the dogs that are already showing some very, very nice drives. He's happy, he's wagging his tail. I know, Bubba. You're a good boy. We'll get you some. These puppies already show a lot of natural genetics. When I walk up to the kennel, if they don't recognize it's me, they'll bark at me. Food drive is excellent. They're already biting socks. I've played a little bit of rack with them about a day and a half ago. They're open, they're confident, they like to run off and explore. And one thing that should be very, very nice about the breeding is the conformation. Several of them have the short coupled look that Caine has. A very compact, strong body.
Hey, my little babies. What's going on, huh? I know. I know. What is going on? Did you guys have cottage cheese tonight? Did you? How was it? Was it pretty good? Yeah? Pretty tasty? Did you guys like it? Huh? Did you guys like it? Bunch of cottage cheese eaters. What am I going to do with you? What am I going to do with you? Cottage cheese eaters. I know. What's going on? What's going on with you, huh?
This puppy here is an example of one of the ones I really like the look on. This is a little male. Very, very nice markings, nice head, nice short coupled, nice bone. It's a nice thick puppy. You see if you look over the back of him, he's very, very stocky. Most all these puppies are very stocky. This is another one. Very short coupled dog, compact, powerful. Excellent headpiece. Very, very strong head. Very nice bone. And again, look at the thickness of the puppy, of a 5-week puppy. Very nice. I know.